Hi! In front of me is REALME C33 and today I would like to show you where you can locate all typing features on this REALME. Begin by opening Settings. In them, scroll all the way down and choose System. Now you need to select Languages and Input, On-Screen Keyboard, and Gboard. Finally, tap on Text Correction, and as you can see, all typing features are here. If you wish to switch on or off one of them, just tap on the switcher next to the chosen one. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!